Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to remove duplicate values or records in an Excel sheet. This is a sample Excel data sheet with 1000 records. To find and remove duplicate records manually might become a nightmare. We will have to compare all the records one by one. Fortunately, by applying the built-in feature of Excel, you can remove duplications from your data within seconds. Go to the Data tab. In the Data Tools group, click Remove Duplicates. Select the desired columns to remove data from, and press OK. Make sure there is no leading or trailing blank space in the cell's value. We can remove duplicate values from multiple columns, provided the values meet the conditions. For example, we want to remove the records of employees with the same job title and department. The records meeting both conditions will be removed. Thanks for watching.